Let's be honest, you've been saying you want to start a business for months, maybe even years. You watch all the videos, you downloaded every single freebie, your Canva folder is full with designs, and yet still you're at day one. This is your sign that your day one is right now. Starting your business in 2026 doesn't have to be difficult, but it do have to be structured, okay? Listen, I remember sitting at my laptop thinking, I'm smart, I'm intelligent, like I have skills. Why is this so hard? I'm a creative, so I had all these ideas: planners, workbook, journals, courses, master classes, with no direction. Every single time I tried, I'll spiral into what if nobody buys? What niche is best? What sells best? What if no one likes it? What if everybody likes it? How do I deliver? It just kept me stuck in procrastination. And what I found out was this: I wasn't missing the motivation or the skills or even the work ethic. I was missing a map. Once I built my one simple plan, my power framework, every single thing changed for me. Everything. I was able to stop winging things, stop being confused, stop being all over the place. Since you are not lazy, you are overwhelmed. And overwhelmed happens when you're trying to do everything without a system. So before you even ask, where do I start? You should be asking, what is my very next step? When you learn to move from pressure to process, that's when you'll actually see actual progress in your business. Here is a quick map of what I actually teach my students. Welcome to the Power Framework. So first we have P. This is your purpose, the why you're even doing this, and what's the problem that you want to solve. O is for offer. Pick one product that's easy to make and simple to sell. Think template, workbook, ebook. W is for workflows. Now we're beginning, so we want to keep this simple with 3 tools: your checkout, your delivery, and your email list. E, execution. Give yourself 7 days to get your first draft done. Your first version. Do not overthink it, okay? Done beats perfect. R is for results. Do not chase followers, okay? Do not chase followers. We're going to post, sell, learn, and repeat, okay? We're going to pay attention to the results we're getting. And that's it. No 20-step funnel, no $2,000 software, just clarity, confidence, and consistency. You got that. And if you're really ready to stop talking about it and actually make your first move, download my free guide, 5 digital products you can start this week. It will help you pick your product and start building momentum today. And when you're ready for real structure and support, join my community, the BuildHER Academy, where I'll walk you through turning that idea into real income step by step. Because 2026 doesn't have to be another year of I want to, I'm gonna. It can be a year that you really built something that really works.